Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens, where beautiful design meets timeless inspiration. Today, we're exploring the incredible power of thoughtful outdoor transformations and how every space, no matter its size or style, has the potential to become something truly unforgettable. The most captivating environments are never created by chance. They are shaped through careful planning, creative vision, and an appreciation for the details that bring comfort, beauty, and balance together. Every texture, every material, every pathway, and every carefully selected feature contributes to an experience that feels both welcoming and inspiring. Great design goes beyond appearances. It creates an atmosphere that encourages relaxation, conversation, and memorable moments. When every element works in harmony, an ordinary space can become a peaceful retreat that feels connected to nature while offering modern comfort and elegance. Natural materials have a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. Their authentic character, subtle variations, and rich textures create warmth and personality that manufactured finishes often cannot replicate. Combined with thoughtful landscaping and architectural details, these materials help create spaces that feel grounded, sophisticated, and effortlessly inviting. Water, light, greenery, and stone have long been celebrated as some of the most powerful elements in outdoor design. Together, they create movement, sound, reflection, and tranquility. These simple yet impactful features transform a setting into a destination where every visit offers a sense of calm and renewal. Luxury is not always defined by extravagance. Often it is found in balance, proportion, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. Carefully composed spaces feel comfortable without being overwhelming, elegant without being excessive, and impressive while remaining functional for everyday living. As design continues to evolve, homeowners and designers alike are discovering new ways to blend timeless traditions with contemporary innovation. This thoughtful combination creates environments that feel both familiar and fresh, honoring classic principles while embracing modern lifestyles and changing needs. Every transformation begins with imagination. Looking beyond what currently exists opens the door to endless possibilities. Small changes can create dramatic results, while carefully planned renovations have the ability to completely redefine the feeling of an entire property. The beauty of great design lies in its ability to inspire, adapt, and improve the way we experience our surroundings every day. Whether your dream space embraces classic elegance, contemporary sophistication, or a seamless blend of both, thoughtful design always begins with a clear vision. By focusing on quality, harmony, and lasting beauty, every project becomes an opportunity to create something that will be enjoyed for years to come. Thank you for spending your time with Modern Homes and Gardens. We hope today's inspiration encourages you to see new possibilities in every space and motivates you to imagine what can be achieved through creativity, craftsmanship, and timeless design. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep transforming every space into something truly extraordinary.